Good morning, everyone. Yeah, here's my 2017 Dodge Ram. I just want to tell you about a little, actually not a little, a major safety concern in regards to the Ram. I don't know if they're all like that, but I do have a 2017 Dodge Ram. I just want to actually show you what the issue is. Truck needs a little bit of cleaning, but looks good. And the problem with the Dodge Ram that's hazardous and requires a lot of attention is, let me just show you what's going on. I have the keys here, and I'm gonna put them up on the dash here, and I just brake pedals here, feet are here. We're not moving here. Here's the problem. Let's say that your kids are in the cab and you decide, you're just going to take 2 minutes to get something in the back, and they accidentally play with the shift gear here. Or even if you're parked on the hill, or you're parked near a river on an incline. Here's what's happening. My feet are not touching the pedals, any of the pedals, actually, the accelerating pedal or the brake pedal, and the keys, as I indicated, they're on the dash here. So here's the problem. The problem is, look what I could do. Yeah, and we're rolling away. And I don't know if they're all like that, as I indicated, but I did notify Dodge Chrysler dealer and told them about this issue. So I'm just going to back up here a little bit. And they responded indicating there'd be no issue in regards to looking at it. Also, we could probably fix it, no issues, under warranty. And they actually made me an appointment, and it was actually prompt and quick, actually, and within a few days. It's still not resolved, so I'm going to refrain from using the vehicle. I'm also going to use my emergency brake system while I'm parked, just for safety controls. And yeah, they said they were going to repair it on warranty, and basically replied that this is not a warranty issue. This is a recall issue, safety recall issue, and corporate should be notified in regards to this. Also, yeah, to refrain from putting it on a warranty, and actually ensure they put it under the safety recall. So after a bit of reviewing and them looking into the computer and doing some research and recalls, they indicated that yeah, it is a problem. It's a problem. It is a recall, and my truck was already in for this recall. And now I'm debating. They said they just merely had to program it, but it seems like it needs a little bit more attention. And I'm debating if this was ever fixed, or was it fixed and they needed additional parts, or did the mechanic claim that it was repaired and required additional parts. So there's a lot of questions now, and hope it's resolved. I just wanted to ensure that take every precautions when you're parked, or if you have somebody in a cab with you. Sure, use emergency brakes, and yeah, look into this. Go outside, try it out on your own Ram 1500. 2017, that's mine, and ensure you don't have the same issue, and if you do, please get it repaired. So if you like this video, just click like and thumbs up. If also, one more thing, when you do call your dealer, ensure that they don't, put it under warranty, and they make every effort to distribute this message to corporate, and so everybody knows about it. Distributing this message, to me, it's very important. Okay, have a great day, everyone, and be safe.